Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see how it looks, and this is the drawing. We start with this contour. The center point will be right here. New empty document. Part design is the workbench. CAD is here instead of Blender because we create mechanical parts. New sketch in the XY plane, rectangle, dimensions of 120, enter. 74, enter. There is a distance from this point to the center point of 24, and we select this point, this line, and we apply symmetry. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. Close, pad 22. Then we select this edge, then press the Control key and select this other edge because we want to place a chamfer of 10. This is the face for a new sketch. We project this line, we place two rectangles here, we place coincident this line with this point, then we select symmetry of this point, and this axis. Dimensions, this line with this face of 38, and this distance of 16. We have some some missing degrees of freedom, but they are not important. This is not important, this not, this not. Close, and we apply pocket of 22 minus 8. Then we use the bottom face, this face, which is the plane XZ, XY plane, and we project this line. We apply section and we draw a rectangle, this one. We make coincident this point with this point, close, and we apply pad of 88 from the bottom. Yes. Okay. Now we apply some fillets. Radius 4, radius 4, radius 4, 4, 4, and 4, and this is radius 12. We select edges by press the Control key. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for a fillet of 4 millimeters. 4. Okay. Then we also select this edge. We press the Control button, and we select another edge, fillet of 12. Okay. Then this pocket with dimensions 33, radius 20, depth of 6, and angle of 60 degrees. Then a hole placed in the center of this to end these two features. We select this face for a new sketch. We project this upper line, then polyline starting from that line down we go here and up, back to the start. Then we see that this line is not vertical. Now it is. Dimensions, this is 33 and the radius here is 20. This point must be coincident with this. We select the tool, the point, and the axis. Now we see a fully constrained sketch. We apply pocket of 6, not 5. Another sketch on this face. We project this line and we draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. The angle here is 60. And we have a green triangle. Close. Now we use the tool subtractive pipe. The sketch was selected and we add edges. This edge, and this edge. But press the we select one after another. Okay. Very good. We select this face for a new sketch with a circle placed here. We project this arc and we have the center. we place coincident this point with this other point. Close hole diameter of 20 and through the part. Good. There are other 3 holes of 8 millimeters through the part you see here, and dimensions 44, 96, symmetrical here, and 12. We select this face for a new sketch, circles 1, 2 on this vertical, 3. Then we select this tool to project that bottom line, and we apply dimensions. This is 12. This is 44. We apply symmetry. This and this about this axis are symmetrical, and the distance between them is 96. We see here 4 degrees of freedom, and I don't know where is the 4th. You see, this is the 4th. We place it coincident, the center with this axis, and now we are only 3 degrees of freedom, the diameters of these circles, which are not important. Close hole. Now all of them are 6 millimeters. We apply 8 millimeters and through all. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.